could have done this in HD, but it takes too long to upload when the video's all done. It takes too long to do the upload, so I was just fucking. This is the next best thing. 720 by 480, I think, which is not bad. So you make sure you pull this clip out. This is the power. It's the main switch. It goes back to. Okay, you probably have more screws than me, because I've taken this apart a few times, lost a few screws actually, and this thing comes out too. Check it out. So that's done. I'll put it aside, and I'll put the screws that I got from it right beside it. So here's step 1, here's step 2. That's how you keep it organized, or else you're going to get lost with this thing. There's so many things going on. Okay, so this is what you have left now. You go in here, small little plug. It's a little thing, you just pull it off. Just be careful you don't rip the wire. I don't even know what that is. I think it's the Wi-Fi, because I broke that piece. There's supposed to be a black thing over here. It broke off, but the thing still worked. I think the Wi-Fi is all that is. I had it hooked up to the cable, so it doesn't matter. Okay, next thing, this is gonna come off. This clip. Okay, so it opens like the other one. And pull out. Okay, start unscrewing this. You guys will probably have a screw here, have a screw here, and maybe one here, somewhere around there. I just got like 1 or 2 screws on this. There, that's off. Put that separate. Put the screw with it. Next, we have the Blu-ray drive. You just pull that off from the side. This should come right up. Okay. So it comes right off. You can either unclip it from here or from here. I should choose to do it from here. First, I'll pull this out. Okay, this goes down there. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now you just see a flat board like that. Next step is to get this thing off. This is the actual buttons. Power button, eject button. There's another cable, take that out. Open this up. Okay, so this actual chip part is off. This is just the tray that holds it. You need to take this off before you take it apart further. Okay, there, that comes off. Take all of this. Put that as step 5. Next, take off the ground. This is what grounds your power so you don't get electrocuted. Okay, I'll just put this separate there. Now you're basically opening the screws holding this board down. You'll have them here as well. I don't, because I've opened it before. You'll have one here, you'll have one here, maybe a couple here. Okay, I should have like 5 screws on this. It's kind of hard videotaping and doing this shit. It's a bit of a longer screw there. Fucking magnet. The last one for me, you guys will have a few more. So that's done. Okay, now you got these clips. This right here. These two. Push them up too much. I think here, what the fuck did I do?